Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get clay in Astroneer. This is going to be especially useful for crafting ceramic, which is then further used for crafting some useful materials. So to begin, clay can be found on every planet, on the surface mostly, and also on the starting planet. As you can see, it is going to look like these clusters of brownish rock or mud. And you can just pick out your mining tool and go ahead and mine it with it in hand. And as you can see, I've gathered some clay. Now there's a second option to get clay, and it is much faster and easier. So, which is going to be using the Soil Centrifuge. Here, you can just go ahead and select the clay recipe, and as you can see, once you fill this up with 2 full canisters of soil, you can get up to 6 pieces of clay. So as you can see, just fill up this soil canister with soil and then just click this green button to craft the clay inside of the soil centrifuge. So this is pretty much all how to get clay in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.